Fingers to the right, cuts back to quickly underneath to Wilson. And he's got it at the 9-yard line. It'll be a first down. Roberts with the hit.
Big hit by Roberts, but watch Wilson catch this ball, bring it in and secure it just in time before he gets hit. Takes a big hit, but holds onto the ball and gets the first down. Clean tackle by Roberts. Doesn't lead with his head, puts it to the side. Exactly the kind of big hit.
Territory, Laird again. And Laird breaks a tackle. And he's got another first down. He's taken out of bounds by Darryl Roberts.
To lean on this running and not back.
Crossing route, end zone, batted down and broken up. Nice recovery by Roberts as he has been locked up in that fight with Preston Williams.
And run down with. Let's take a look at it. Just gets his hand in there. It was the left hand.
9 now. Once again, looking the way of Demetrius Mayfield with a lot of time, and it's intercepted. That's Darryl Roberts getting the ball out of the air. Against Buffalo. Even a couple times here he comes up with the pick.
And Dak goes underneath, and that's Wilson with the catch. Galvin, directed by Mike Arnold, and Prescott's going to throw it. And quick contact on. Oh, what a hit. Schultz walloped, but able to get to his feet. Roberts there on the collision.
It's just a turn, don't think anyone's out in front of you, and then whoa. Way to hold on to the ball by Schultz.
On the call of second down and 2. Outside Peaches make the first down, and from behind Roberts. Ready again, good block by Harris, crossing down here for Dorsett with a good tackle, open field tackle by Darryl Roberts.
Been able to take it to even another level. This is caught on second and 8, and we'll see what he needs to do it. Pass is caught, and then Jackson backs up, throws, end zone, pass is batted away. Hayden Hurst was the target, and he retreats a little bit, resets his feet, and then delivers actually a pretty good throw. If he's able to just get it out there a little bit more, is the right idea.
From right here, 3rd and 10. Minshew over the middle, it's batted down, boy.